Hello guys, today we will study the limit. So let us consider a function y is equal to fx. What is the actual meaning of limit? Let's suppose this is y is equal to fx curve. At point A, we can approach point A from left side or we can approach a point A from right side. Okay, so if we approach from left side and the value of f of A is equal to f of A when A is approached from right side. Okay, if these two values are equal, then the limit will exist for particular function. This is known as left approach and this is called right approach. So the condition for existence of limit is that limit x tends to a fx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. This LHL left hand limit and this side is called RHL right hand limit. If for particular function LHL is equal to RHL, then limit exists for a particular function. So let's see the example to understand it. Here the example is limit x tends to 0 modulus of x upon x. To check whether the limit will exist or not, so we have to find two things, LHL and RHL. If LHL is equal to RHL, then limit will exist. So we will find separately. For LHL, limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of minus h. So we will put minus h instead of x. Limit h tends to 0 modulus of minus h upon minus h. Modulus function always gives positive value. H upon minus h, this will give minus 1. Now we will come on RHL side. Limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 0 plus h. This implies that limit h tends to 0 f of h. So we will replace h instead of x. Limit h tends to 0 modulus of h upon h. Here h is positive, so h upon h is equal to 1. So here we get LHL is equal to minus 1 and RHL is equal to 1. So LHL is equal to LHL not equal to RHL, so limit will not exist. Will not exist. Example of limit we will see in next lecture. Thank you.